In 2000 BC, while the world struggled with bronze and floods, a secret rose along the Nile.
What if the first civilization on Mars wasn't NASA, but ancient Egypt?
A secret powerful enough to carry humanity beyond Earth.
History says the pyramids were tombs. But what if that's only half true?
What if the Great Pyramid was not a burial chamber, but a solar transmitter?
What if the priests of Ra commanded the sun as power?
What if they didn't build monuments, but starships?
Archaeology calls them royal tombs.
Yet the Great Pyramid holds no grand burial art. Why?
Perhaps it was engineered for resonance.
Its casing stones reflected sunlight intensely. Its geometry aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions. Its shafts pointed toward Orion, the star of Osiris.
Imagine it as a massive solar collector. Quartz-rich stone, converting vibration into power.
The oscillation frequency is destabilizing. We need to regulate the output before it breaches containment. The resonance peaks when the alignment shifts.
Then the surge will be critical.
We must prepare the chamber.
The pyramid wasn't a tomb. It was a reactor.
Egyptian art shows the radiant solar disk.
But what if it was a schematic?
Fleet of solar-powered disks.
Each ship coated in gold for shielding and conductivity.
Gold does not corrode. It reflects radiation. It conducts energy. Around 2000 BC, a pharaoh commissions the Solar Ascension program. The pyramid energy fuels the first interplanetary ship.
Rituals become harmonic calibration.
Incense masks the scent of ozone.
One night, a disk of light rises above Giza.
Why Mars? The red star of power and rebirth.
Astronomer priests map planetary motion.
They calculate precise launch windows. The ship sails on amplified solar propulsion. Weeks pass in silence inside the vessel.
Scarabs function as life support regulators.
Finally, Mars fills their vision.
The ship descends through thin atmosphere.
Egyptian explorers step onto Martian ground. Gold shimmers against red dust. They erect obelisks as beacons.
They discover ice and create subterranean habitats.
A colony thrives beneath the surface.
Then Mars begins to fail. Atmosphere fades. Radiation rises.
Crops fail. The colony weakens.
The pharaoh makes a decision. Return.
The last expedition leaves the colony behind.
Knowledge of Mars is sealed within temple walls.
The solar ascension program is dismantled. Flying discs become myths. Space travel becomes the journey of the soul. The pyramids remain, their function forgotten.
Today, scientists search Mars for ancient life.
But what if they're looking in the wrong direction?
What if humans once used them to leave Earth? There is no archaeological evidence. This is speculative fiction. Yet ancient Egypt achieved feats that still astonish engineers. Our desire to reach Mars continues.
Maybe this story isn't about the past.
Maybe it's about the future.
One day, humanity will step onto Mars. And the line between myth and science may blur. We have always looked upward, searching for answers. Wondering what we once knew.
And what we might learn again.
Imagine if traces still wait beneath the dust.
Past and future intertwine.
Legends echo through stone.
Science continues the journey, step by step.
Closer and closer.
The sun still rises over Giza. And over Mars. Different ages. Same sky. The desire to explore never fades. It evolves. It transforms. It advances. One day, boots will press into Martian soil. And history will remember this moment. Not the end. Because imagination fuels progress. Curiosity drives discovery. Orion still watches over the pyramids.
And Mars still waits.
Myth inspires science.
Science reshapes myth.
The journey continues. The story is only beginning.